me, Shamar, and I'm back with another video. If you if you read the title, you will see that I went and got my nails done, and I actually recorded an experience. I went to this girl named Shantia, and she is the owner of Blazin Nails. She has a website, which I'll link below. She also has a Facebook and Instagram, which I'll have all those links down below. She does sell nail accessories on her website, so if you do nails or if you just like to do your own nails, you can go ahead and buy some accessories to help, you know, jazz up your nails or something. These are not the nails that she did. I took them off because I'm a procrastinator, and this is a couple weeks later and my nails broke. They were my natural nails, but still my nails were getting messed up because my nails don't want me to be great, not because of anything she did. But I just want to say she was really nice. She even like sanitized her hands and my hands before she even started working on me, which was really nice. I like that because, you know, it's Corona season. I don't know if she does that on the regular or if she just started doing that. And she's also been doing nails for a year now. I think that's all I wanted to say. And I did skip like her doing like the prep work on my nails just because I didn't want the video to be too long. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Wait, I almost forgot. I always forget. Feel free to follow me on my social media. I'm just gonna leave it all here or here. I don't know. Take a second, look at it, and it's always in the description below. It's free. Okay, and let's get into the video. So she already put on the base coat and prepped my nails, did all that stuff. I didn't record that because I felt like that was going to be boring, so I just got straight into the actual polishing of the nails. And she is using DNDDC, and this is a mood changing gel polish, as they like to call it. When really it's just a temperature changing polish because it changes whether you hot or cold. And the color is Carrot Cake Tiger Stripes number 13, and it's orange. It's normally yellow like when I'm just at a normal temperature, and then it's orange usually when my hands are cold or something like that. That orange color that's showing right now, and you'll see once she puts it under the little LED lights, it's going to change to yellow in case you get thrown off a little bit and is a little confused. Okay, and then she goes in with the Beetles gel polish in the color 362, and oh my gosh, I am amazing because I was struggling to try and look at the bottle and see the numbers on there, and your girl found it. I'm so proud of me. I'm sorry, the internet does not want me to be great, and I was trying to find a swatch online of just that color, but it kept showing me the set. So it's obviously the orange glitter one. And I'm going to link the polishes, if I find them online, down low in the description as well, just in case y'all want to, you know, use some of these colors because they really were cute colors. And then she just put these little stickers on my fingers. I'm not sure where she got it. If I'm able to find some on Amazon that look similar to them, I will link them. But I'm not sure if y'all even really want them because they were fall-like. And we are now approaching winter, and it's time to get in a nice little Christmas spirit. Or Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, any other holidays that celebrate in December. I'm not sure, but we accept all holidays over here. Okay, I am back. You enjoyed that little video. This was something completely different. I never did anything like this on my channel, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this, like if I go to get my nails done again, or if I maybe get my hair done or something like that. Is there anything else I want to tell y'all? No, I don't think so. Oh, please remember to like and subscribe because it's free. And share it out too, you know, it helps and it warms my little heart. And like always, I wish you nothing but good luck and blessings, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.